since midnight. All right, so who is that dynamo in your life that may have, just had surgery on knee or ankle or hip? Who is that dynamo that is always moving so fast and maybe has started to slow down because they need a little help getting up and moving? Well, we've got something to help that dynamo. It's the Dynamo GoStick folding cane with the Cyclone Tip and wrist strap. $45.98 is the price. 3 easy pays of $15.33. And what's great is that this crossbow technology is designed to just give you that little extra stability when you need it. And it's collapsible. So Emily Scott is here with another great helper. Really quickly, here are the colors that you have to choose from. So we know fashion is important. So we've got a great assortment of colors for you to select as well. We'll start here with Dawn Yellow. We'll go next to the olive green, right? Yep. Next to that is the racing red. We have sunset orange. We're offering the midnight plum. We have the blue, G-Man blue. And then
and if you look at the bottom of those, it does show you the different heights. There's 8 different adjustable heights because mine's a little taller today because for me I got high heels on. These are super high. This is as high as they get. But this was invented by a man, by a dynamo himself. His name's Will Scott, and he was training for the Olympics, suffered a serious injury, ended up with 17 surgeries, and spent over 1,000 days. Canes, crutches, walkers. Nothing gave him support, stability, balance. Nothing worked for him. So he took his engineering background to design, literally redesigned a cane from tip to grip to give you everything a cane should. But this is our brand new version that's more packable, more portable, more convenient, folds down to about 15 inches, and you do get that carry case as well.
That's awesome. So it has the carry strap attached to it, so that is good to wrap your wrist around and make sure it's secure, but then you also get the bag. It's only about the size of an umbrella, so you don't really have to worry about where you're going to store it, as opposed to the original canes, right?
So actually the tip just fell off here, but let me show you the difference. I'm going to give you kind of a tour, tip to grip, why this is a better cane. So this usually has a black tip on it, but you see how small it is here. This is our patented Cyclone cane. It's modeled after snow tires in a cyclone action. So when it strikes the ground, we want it to stay in contact with the ground, grip the ground. Those open chambers give a place for the dirt, debris, water, sand to go. So it's not underneath your cane. Your cane is in contact with the ground. And I'm going to stay right there on the color matching tip, by the way. You've got open chambers on the side which articulate just like your ankle does when you walk. Then you've got this patented crossbow bend. No, your cane isn't broken. That's the way we designed it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to balance the cane without holding it right in the middle of the grip. That patented bend puts the tip directly under the middle of the handle. This is now a cane that is balanced. Canes by nature aren't balanced. Who knew?
Well, here, think about your anatomy. If your leg did not bend, if you had no knee, if you had no arc like this does, then you would walk like this.
Oh, you would, right?
So
exactly.
This is modeled after our own anatomy, which makes sense because it gives us really good stability. I also love how large this handle is, because if you are someone who needs to use support, you want it to be something that's got a nice grip to it, but a good size, so it's not cutting into your palm.
And what we're going to do is we're going to turn that grip around because it's actually a forward-facing grip, but that grip was also redesigned so that you can put both hands on it. It's spring-loaded to relax your hand. But when you grip it with your hand, what we're going to do is we're going to take your hand in a V position like this, and we're going to take the most stable part of your hand, which is down here, and the widest part of your hand. All of that is going to go on the grip forward facing, which displaces all of that pressure that can otherwise build up in your wrist and your hands. That's why I gave up on the idea of canes.
Right.
Because my hand fell asleep.
Well, let me tell you, Miss Kim knows from experience, because just recently, Kim, who is a all-star athlete and fitness guru, had her own issue that would caused her to be a little limping and having to rely on some support. This is going to give you that support and confidence. And when you think about the walk, every time you lift one leg, you're literally teetering on the edge, right?
Yeah.
So when one leg is moving forward, the other leg is doing all the work.
Yeah.
And if one leg that is doing all the work maybe
isn't your good leg,
isn't not you're in 100%, then you will need the support of something like this cane. And as you can see, again, it articulates and follows the movement. So when you do step on it, you can put your full body weight on comfortably, knowing that you've got that support. I think it's a great idea. And if I don't need it, I can
you can just fold it down.
Fold it down.
They kind of telescope
so I don't
into
have
each
to
other.
worry about where I'm going to put it.
Yeah, and so when you get to the restaurant, rather than trying, or the doctor's office or wherever, rather than trying to find a place to lean it and possibly lose it, and yes, Dad, I am talking to you who's lost more canes than you can imagine, but I love that I can finally stand up straight, right? Other canes, because they're not balanced, you end up putting the cane in front of you and kind of walking to it. Your back is bent. It doesn't feel good. This is so grippy. I don't recommend this at home, but this is so grippy. I can trust the cane with all of my weight.
Well, here's an opportunity. If you know someone who is a dynamo and that dynamo has maybe slowed down a little bit and is not able to get around as much and get up and down as easily as they used to, then this could be a really good helper and friend to them. Here are the colors one more time, because we do know that fashion is important. And you can also see the graduating height with 8 different levels that you can set this to. So we have the dawn yellow, we have the green, olive green, we have the racing red, next to that is sunset orange, we have the plum, we have the blue, and then finally we have the black. So Emily, since I didn't ask you last time, do you have a happy place in your home?
In my home? Well, so I'll say we have a little vacation home. It's anywhere.
Anywhere in my
Anywhere in that vacation home. My IQ is down, my happiness is up. It's a happy place.
Sounds good. Well, thank you
Thanks so much,
Good
Jane.
to see you.
Thank you.
All right, continue in the process of placing your order for the Dynamo GoStick.
Talk. We love to give you a little hint about some other things that are going on.